vegan iced coffee smoothie packed full of protein. I'm gonna share with you that recipe right now on this episode of Lean Living. All right, whoop. Lucky catch. Does not really get any easier than this. This is one of my favorite smoothies when I am looking for a pick-me-up. Caffeine is one of the very few, yes that's right, very few supplements that are proven to improve your performance. When I was a professional rugby player, we all used to take caffeine pills before our games, and that is because it improves your reaction time, your alertness, your energy levels, and that all translates into real life, whether you're in the gym, at work, wherever you are. So, first things first, get yourself a blender, and then you're gonna get yourself about 2 handfuls of ice cubes. Next up, to replenish our muscles after our workout is 1 frozen banana. Ooh, just like that. 1 cup of almond milk. Make sure it is unsweetened almond milk, squaddies. Look at that. Woo! It's about 1 cup. And you can adjust that depending on how thick you like your smoothie. Next up is vegan vanilla whey. Now, you can also do chocolate if you like. Do about 1.5 scoops because this is packed full of protein. You can also adjust the amount of protein based on whether or not this is a snack or a post-workout lean ritual. Because whenever we work out, we tear our muscle fibers, we wanna make sure we get the right nutrients in our body. And the final ingredient, obviously, is coffee. We need that caffeine hit. I'm using an espresso machine. If you don't have one, it is incredible. I've linked it in the Amazon store. I use it every single day instead of going to Starbucks. On the Nespresso machine, I do 1 long shot. Now, it's gonna come out hot. You can add a couple extra ice cubes. We should be good with the frozen banana and the ice cubes we've already put in, but if you want it extra chilly, remember that an espresso shot is gonna melt some of the ice, melt some of the banana, and so we wanna keep this nice and cold. After the mix is poured in a cup, look at that consistency. That is a perfect coffee protein smoothie. Pop in a paper straw. You don't want to be doing the plastic. Wow, it's so good. This is insane. This has gotta be the best vegan coffee smoothie out there because it is so tasty, but also packed full of protein. All right, squaddies, that is the magical vegan coffee smoothie packed full of protein. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. If you did like this recipe, please give me a big thumbs up, comment in this video, and also don't forget to tag me on Instagram at LEANSQUAD if you make this recipe. I wanna share all the leanness. Your post is going to inspire other people to eat healthier, get more confident, get stronger. So make sure you tag me. And last but not least, if you want a custom 90-day lean plan tailored to you with recipes like this, then please check out www.lean-squad.com. Remember, it's also a workout plan, a meal plan, and my personal support. That is what the leanness is all about. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Lean Living, and make sure you click that subscribe button one last time because you do not want to miss what is coming next week.